Welcome to the cross-side script reflected attack. What we're going to do now is just go into wb-dvwa and we'll perform a cross-side scripting for reflected. It's a nice easy one. Within what you need to do is obviously you'll have to have this logged in. Now I've created a Docker container for to put in Kali, so I don't need Metasploitable for this example. I just decided to get a new Docker container and put it on port 80, and that's working fine. Instead of getting two virtual machines, I've got the one virtual machine and I can perform this attack. But you might have to click on Setup Reset Database, and there's a few things here that's red or whatever. You can click on Create Reset Database and that's fine. Make sure that we've got dvwa security as low, and then click on cross-site reflected. Click there, and we're going to use this code. Paste it there, submit, and there it is. That's the a little bit of practice there for cross-site scripting. You'll notice up here that it put it in the top there. So what we'll do is we'll actually go ahead and click out of there, even all the way to this level, and we can got vulnerabilities, cross-site scripting, and then we can actually put the code in the URL anyway. That's cross-site scripting. That's how we do that particular attack. Okay, perfect. Thank you for watching.